Guys are bothered by this guy.
Road construction in the right lane, and at last check, that was bogging things down from Highway 10. WBAP First Traffic, I'm Michael Scott. Investors need steady cash flow, want to
No one with a mask. He's fucking. It's that van! No, it's him. It's this way. It's going off this guy. Just smashed his mirror. Here you fucking go. Fucking dickhead.
Whoa.
What? Your door.
He's silly runner.
Whoa, you son of dip.
Nice.
And this girl don't let the man. So I had a hell of a lot of teaching and leasing on the table with the business to feast and eat.
Put my best foot forward.
Bro, we got that dash cam. Yeah. Yeah. So on June 8th, Mariah and I are driving home from Carolina Beach. About an hour into our drive, this SUV flies past us going 100 miles an hour. When I look over, I see that it's an older guy. He's probably 75 years old. So I knew right away, like, that's kind of unusual for someone his age to be speeding that much. Well, when he passes us, he rides the shoulder making that loud noise. And then a few minutes later, this pickup truck drives past, makes this eye contact motion saying, look at that pickup truck.
There he goes. Oh. This guy's having...
What is he doing?
He's probably having like a seizure or a heart attack or something.
Should someone just...
Here he
Oh my
goes.
god.
Need to block him in.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Here he
Oh my
goes.
god. Oh. No. Okay, yeah. Please just... Watch out, baby.
Oh my God.
How did he miss that sign?
Jesus. We need to pull him over.
Should we get him? Pull over? There we go.
Should we?
Yeah.
Shit. Is he gonna hit me?
Oh my god, is he not?
Come on. Stop.
Is he stopping?
Don't hit me. Don't fucking hit me.
Open the door. Hey, it's a car. Open it. Hey, that car. You open it there all the way. Can you put in the car, please? Put in the car. All the way. There you go. That's okay? Yeah, we're fine. I got their keys, so just wait for the cops here.
Are you okay?
Yeah, he's...
What have y'all been doing?
Trying to get back. Police officer.
Were you trying to pass people on the grass? Or
No.
you were not trying to pass them, you were just drifting off? You haven't been drinking?
Guys, y'all were literally, you almost hit about 8 signs. You have grass in your tires back here from where you've been driving off the road. We've got an ambulance.
Got ran off the road.
No, you didn't get ran off the road, ma'am. I watched the whole thing, and multiple people have it on video. Nobody was ran off the road. You drove off the road. He drove off the road, okay?
And y'all were in front of us.
Yeah, we got in front of you.
Ran us off the road.
Oh, no.
We're not gonna argue. We ran off the road and ran off the road.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I'm not trying to get you all.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, I know.
We're more worried about the safety of everybody.
We wanted to make sure y'all were okay.
We find out they're both diabetic. The lady had a grand mal seizure the night before, so they had been up for 24 hours. The driver took some NoDoz, which are caffeine pills. When the ambulance arrived, they could not find anything wrong with the driver. So the police actually let them drive away, which we thought was kind of crazy, but you know,
I guess that's how it works. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, and let us know if you think the police did the right thing by letting them drive off. Also, make sure you subscribe or follow so that you do not miss next week's video.
The government was also now calling the rockets projectiles to minimize the storm. All this because of a regime in Pyongyang that was beseeching the world for food for its supposedly starving people, but still had enough space.
Caught you cutting me off.
In fact,
I have a camera.
Come Abe put out a statement that Japan and the United States were totally allied, so that North Korea could see unambiguously that Japan was with us. He concluded by committing to keep Abe informed, but not to worry, because the launches were short range and not really missiles.
Yeah.
If he said it enough times.
Look at that.